Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to warm up an email address. So it is really simple, this video will not be that long. You just have to create an account on Emelia.io, then you click on warm up an email address, connect your first mailbox, and then that will depend of your email provider. If it is a Google Workspace account, be sure to follow this process before clicking on continue. Then when you click on continue, you will have the simple connection. If it is a classic Gmail, it is not the same process, so be sure to not get it wrong. You follow this, and then at the end, you enter the new password that you created for Emelia, and not your original password of your Gmail account. If it is Microsoft, you just have to click here, and you will be redirected to the simple connection. If it is SMTP IMAP, just have to add your name, the email address, and then the password, and click on connect. And normally we will automatically find most of the time the SMTP and the IMAP of your provider. If it is not the case, it will look like this and you will have to enter it manually. So once your mailbox are connected, it will look like this. So in this account I have many mailboxes, but let's say I want to start this one. I just have to click on the button here, and then few days later it will look like this because there is a smaller ramp up. We don't warm up too fast at the beginning. When it will reach a cruise speed, it will look like this, and you will have some statistic here, and you will have a score. If the score is between 90 and 100, so it's good. But of course, email warm-up is not the only thing to ensure that you will have a good deliverability. So I invite you to go to the Emelia's blog to read the complete guide about deliverability. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us on the customer support. It's me or my associate that are behind the customer support. And I invite you also to follow this YouTube channel, as it is a new YouTube channel and a lot of videos are coming. So I hope you will enjoy it, and don't hesitate if you have other questions. If you think that I forgot something about email warm-up that you want to know, you can put a comment in this video. Have a great day.